we're lightening up on this as a pivot point. We opened just below it, actually. It's at 414.18. We are de-emphasizing it into later week, and I'm not going to say that if we close today above 414.18 that is a sign of any degree of bullish activity. It really comes down to whether or not we also close above 425.17. So 425.17 still able to contain weekly highs, and below which still anticipating 373.22 a channel support. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks is realistic. That is the two-sided framework. 373.22 is converging this point in time with 372.73, which is this longer-term channel structure you really can't ignore despite the fact that we have violated it. It is still a solid level to consider buying into, at least on a daily, if not 3 to 5 day swing trade basis. But it is the holding inside this channel that is our dynamic as we move into the month of March. Heavy below 425.17, a lower low, lower high framework that can continue to play out into March activity. 373.22 expected over the next 2 to 3 weeks at the very most, and converging by the middle of March with this 329.48 level. So we'll be watching this convergence closely. If this market were to sell off and within the next few days close below 373.22, which is not going to happen, I don't think, then we would take it in stages. Then expecting 329.48 within another couple of weeks. But it is 329.48 in combination with 319.55 that can absorb selling pressures on a quarterly basis. We could bottom out here through Q2 into Q3, and from here round up over the following several months. We actually could place an annual low at 319.55, and it is attainable over the next 3 to 5 weeks below 425.17. I think that is a realistic time horizon. Now, upside, if we do close today above 425.17, it is possible the 456.31 5/8 Fibonacci becomes a 1 to 2 week target. But overall, closing above 425.17 structure, and we are anticipating this channel top at 502.11. So this is our upward pivot point as we move through the month of March. Closing above 425.17 is a buy opportunity that should then yield the low 500 region by the end of March or sooner. 502.11 is really the beginning of a wide zone up to 534.85. Until then, holding below 425.17 will keep this 319.55 structure in reach over the next several months. If we push through 425.17 today, we just might see 436.35, which is that pullback high from last week. Please click like, share, subscribe.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high-probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.